Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can open a menu link in another window in WordPress. Now this is our demo website, which is a single page site. If I click on privacy policy, it opens on the same page. So I want this privacy policy to open in the new tab. In order to do that, let's log in to the WordPress dashboard. Enter the credentials. So we are in the dashboard. Now to edit the menu, go to Appearance and Menu. Now here is your site menu. You can add more items to it, custom links, pages, or posts. Anyway, we want to open this menu in a new tab. For that, click here on the screen options and make sure this link target is ticked. This is done. Now click on the menu. Now you will see the option to open in the same window or a new window tab. Let me choose this and save the menu. By the way, all menu will now have that option. This is done. Let's open the website. If I click on privacy, this opens in a new tab, as you can see. Thank you very much.